Hey, it's Chaba and welcome to the second module, which is all about finding the right audiences to target. Step 1 is discovering the best website personalization opportunities, which is what this lesson is about. Building a personalized experience for your shoppers must start by clearly defining your goals. For whom do you want to create a better, more personalized experience? A group of visitors that will be targeted by a personalized message is called a visitor segment. The first step in a website personalization is uncovering groups of website visitors who share two important characteristics. The first is that they can be targeted based on data about their shared attributes that you have available. You could have an awesome personalization idea for 18-year-olds, but if you don't know the age of your visitors, then you can target this visitor segment, and in most cases you don't, unless you ask visitors directly how old they are. The second important characteristic is that there's an opportunity to create a better, more personalized user experience for this segment. This also implies that there might be some issues with the current experience of this segment of users. There are lots of ways to uncover potential issues in your visitor's experience. Let's discuss the top ones. The first approach is data-based. Have a look at your Google Analytics account. It has several reports that can help you understand the problems that visitors face while browsing your website. You should look for visitor segments that have significantly lower conversion rates compared to other segments. These low-performing visitor groups could be segmented by source, country, content, or landing pages visited, just to name a few. Here you can see that a surprisingly large number of visitors arrive at this page from Instagram, but they convert at a much lower rate than the visitors arriving from Facebook. This might imply that visitors from Instagram are having a poorer experience than visitors from Facebook, and creating a personalized message for this particular segment could considerably improve their experience, and as a result, the conversion rate of this segment should increase. Of course, numbers don't tell the whole story, but they do leave clues as to what the major customer journey challenges are. If there's a page with an exceptionally high bounce rate, or where the conversion rate for an ad is very low, there are usually problems with the customer experience. So the next best method to really understand these user issues is to ask your visitors directly. Use a personalized message like a side message or a pop-up to welcome your Instagram visitors and ask them what they are looking for or what they are missing. This is the surest way to get quality feedback directly from the customers you are trying to serve. A less revealing but somewhat easier method is to use heat map and mouse tracking software like Hotjar to examine the customer experience from the shopper's perspective. They allow you to record every cursor movement of the users, and you can watch these sessions later in the form of a video. Often one of the greatest sources of customer insights is your customer support department. Customer support channels hear about issues directly from your customers, and pain points that customers frequently complain about are usually great opportunities for personalization. A lot of visitors from one of your campaigns might ask the same question about one of your products. For example, if you are promoting a supplement to people with diabetes on Facebook, they might be unsure whether it is suitable for their specific diet. In this case, you could create a personalized embedded message for this particular segment. And finally, customer interviews are one of the most accurate but also most expensive ways to uncover great insights about your site's performance. In customer interviews, you will watch a customer live or on Zoom as you ask them to navigate your website, perform specific actions, and give you honest feedback. Once you've investigated and found a number of opportunities for improvement, you need to prioritize them. It's not a good idea to start trying to fix every problem at once and create dozens of different campaigns. Instead, select the top 3 most important problems and create an optimization plan for each of those. Alright, that's it for this lesson. Next time, I'm going to share some visitor segmentation best practices. I see you there!